Hey guys, Sandy here, and today I am sharing with you my July for the Love of Homemade kits. Now, there is a little PDF that I will link to down below that you can build your own kit if you would like that to do that as well. And we are just going to get into it. So, I'm going to take you through. I went flipping through my papers. And the first thing on there was a pattern with at least 3 colors. And then the next thing was a funky or unusual paper. Well, I was flipping through and I found this Cosmo Cricket paper. It is from 2009. And I definitely think this is a funky paper. So we went with this for my funky paper. My pattern with at least 3 colors. I'm going to show it to you and you might think that it doesn't really go, but I think it's okay. This is a Cartabella paper from 2017 toy box, and you're right, I would not put these two together, but I have other papers, and the best thing for me for a kit is when I can mix and match. So not every single paper coordinates, but like this paper might be able to work with that one, and this one might work with that one, but this one might work with this one as well. So that is what I'm going for. So I have a pattern with at least 3 colors, and then a bold stripe paper. I actually pulled out 2 bold stripes. This is from Cartabella The Great Outdoors, and this is Cartabella Toy Box. So hopefully you can kind of see where I am. Where I am going with this. And if you didn't guess, I am going to be scrapbooking some Disney photos this month, so that is where we're going with that. And then 3 colors of cardstock. So I have this blue-gray. I have this gray-gray, and then I have this natural color. So I have these 3 colors of cardstock. We'll put those there. And then, of course, I brought in some other, papers as well. So I have this Simple Stories Say Cheese paper. I have this Cartabella Passport paper. It is a red grid. I have this yellow grid from Close to My Heart. I have this yellow floral from Close to My Heart. And then I also have this blue tone-on-tone paper from Close to My Heart. So hopefully you can see where I was kind of going with this, and you'll look at it and be like, yeah, I can see where you can make some pages out of that. I also just brought in this scrap sheet of paper. This is from Creative Memories. And then my 6x8 or 6x6 paper pad, I brought in the Simple Stories Say Cheese 3 paper pad. This isn't a full paper pad. I have used a bunch of it, but I felt like there was enough in here that would coordinate with what I had going on, and this is definitely bringing in the Disney feel. Okay, so for embellishments, we needed mirror or acrylic embellishments. So I have these gold acrylic mirror stickers. So I brought those in. And I also have some star acrylics. So we have those. Banners. So a couple things. Banners. Here we go. I don't know why I pulled that out for a banner. So this is star garland, and garland is just another word for banner. So I pulled that. So you can see those. Fringe. Oh, and I also have this gold banner that I pulled out. Fringe. Now, I don't have anything set already fringy made, so I brought out my fringe scissors so I can fringe myself. Sequins, I brought 2 partial mixes that I had left in my stash. This one was designed exclusively for the Kit Club, and this one is Moon Rising. So I have those. Envelopes. I brought in 2 of these envelopes here. One is a vellum and one is a khaki colored one. And then summer themed die cuts. So you guys, I went through all of my die cuts and I don't have summer themed die cuts. I just don't have them. So I just went and I cheated and I just pulled die cuts that I thought would coordinate with what I had going on color wise. And I just don't have summer themed stuff. So yeah, this is it. Markers. I went ahead and got my Vicky Bouton watercolor markers. I only pulled a couple of the colors out. I have it in mint julep, blueberry pie, cherry tart, and crushed pineapple. I figure I could do some watercoloring with those. Embossing powders or folders. Now I decided to bring embossing powders in. I have two from Brutus Monroe. This is gilded, so this is a gold embossing powder, and this is Milky Way. So it is a kind of like it's a dark starry night kind of embossing powder, but I don't think it has glitter in it. So we have those. And then alphabets, a gold alphabet. So I brought this one in. It's Happy. And I did bring my second pack in because I am missing a lot of, essential letters. So this is the second pack. And then phrase stickers and phrase stickers or stickers. So I brought in these two. This is Hello Joy. This is Chamel. This is the Lucky Ones. This is Amy Tan. So I just brought those in. It has black, gold, and white ones. So I thought that would be perfect for what I had going on here. And then just because it is Disney-esque, I brought in these original Say Cheese chipboard shapes from Simple Stories. And look, there's a banner there. So it's all good. So this is going to be my homemade kit for the month of July. I'm not exactly sure which Disney photos I'm going to scrap, but there are definitely going to be Disney photos. I have a couple of trips that I need to get done. Oh, and I also brought in Disney stickers as well, just some simple stories. Say Cheese, I'm not sure which Say Cheese version it is, but we have these as well. And the good thing about a homemade kit is that there are tons of halfway used products in here, and that's great because that means I'm using up things from my stash. Nothing in this kit is new. Nothing in this kit is new. It has all been in my stash for at least a little bit. So thanks so much for watching. Be sure to stay tuned so you can see what I do with this kit this month. This is a little bit larger than my normal homemade kit, and links will be down below for everyone who is participating in homemade kits this month. I will see you guys again real soon for another video.